Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hello everyone, checking in on SPY. So we hit a new all-time high to end the week. We did reject from the upper Bollinger Band 227.30, so we need to watch these tight Bollinger Bands. But with the adjustment for the dividend, the high was 227 even, and we got all the way up to 227.75, and even without looking at SPY, just looking at SPX, the S&P 500, we got the all-time high there as well. So the middle Bollinger Band is continuing to ascend rapidly. That's going to be a key level that we watch for support to hold that will let us know that the bulls are still in full control. We'll see if we can get a bullish MACD cross if this uptrend continues. And it's just higher high after higher high. This is a perfect uptrend. Every time we have panic with Brexit or with the election, it's just a reason for the bulls to rally. It's the biggest moments of fear over the past year have led to the biggest rallies. So here we are at the all-time high, a couple weeks of consolidation. Nice follow-through, close at the high of the week just about. And we're looking for continuation for these bulls. There were a lot of names that were strong back on Thursday, and the same names were strong on Friday, and I'm referring to Google and Tesla and Amazon and Netflix. And watching them trade first thing Friday morning, they showed a lot of strength, and then SPY took a little bit of time to get its legs in terms of the bulls showing up. We see the pullback first thing, and then the bulls finally turn things around, but we knew that those names were strong on their own, and if the bulls showed up and we hit that new all-time high, that it was only going to magnify that move to the upside, which is what ended up happening. So it was a nice way to already see which names were the strongest individually and get in them to capitalize on the very strong move that followed, because when SPY hits all-time highs, blue sky breakout, bulls in full control, and they controlled the vast majority of the day. A little bit of profit taking at the end of the day, but certainly overall a very bullish day. Hourly time frame, we've got all moving averages as support. We're coming down to this 20 period again, 226.81. That will be around 227 as we start next week, Monday morning. We'll be keeping an eye on that level because we did drop and hold that level on the hourly multiple times before that all-time high was hit. So bulls in full control, lots of sectors, seeing some sector rotation. I'm going to do a biotech video here because I like the biotech sector. It certainly turned around the trend this week. And there's a lot of individual names that I like on the weekly chart. So keep an eye out for that video. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on Monday.